Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% refreshing Muskmelon shake. This is a must try, especially in the summer season. For this, I'm taking 1 cup of muskmelon which are nicely chopped and cleaned. On top of this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoonfuls of jaggery powder. We will then follow this up with some sabja seeds or chia seeds which are nicely soaked. We need to soak these seeds for about 2 hours before we add them to the mixer grinder. Next, we top this up with some cardamom powder for good flavor. We add some ice cubes to break the scorching heat. We will then add some boiled milk which has been cooled enough. Now, I generally prefer skimmed milk for all my milkshakes. Before we add further ingredients, it's time to grind this into a nice juice. Here you see the juice is ready. Our 100% refreshing muskmelon shake is now ready to be had. Do like and subscribe for more such videos.